Purchase of property is a lifetime achievement of every person, and hence it is very important and very necessary to take every precaution at every step to complete the fruitful documentation. After purchase of property, you must possess all your property related documents and keep them in your custody as well. Today, I am going to discuss about all the essential documents required for the purchase of flat or apartment or any commercial premises. Documentation is a hectic, cumbersome and crucial job. Nobody can do it independently. Every person who wishes to buy any property has to take the legal help from his advocate or legal advisor. Today, I will discuss about the process and documents required for the purchase of a flat, apartment or commercial premises from the promoter, builder or developer. Please see this video till end to get the full knowledge of property documentation. If you wish to purchase a flat, apartment or commercial premises from the promoter, builder or developer, then you will have to obtain from the promoter, builder or developer the various documents at the first instance. First document is sale deed or development agreement, which is duly executed between promoter, builder or developer and the landowners, duly registered in the Office of Register of Assurances. The sale deed is the main document by which a seller transfers his right on the property to the purchaser, that is promoter, developer or builder, who then acquires absolute ownership of the property. The development agreement is a legally binding contract between the plot owner and the promoter, builder or developer, under which the owner agrees to the developer and the developer agrees to accept from the owner exclusive rights of development of the owner's property on some terms and conditions mentioned therein. Second document is receipt of registration of development agreement. This receipt is issued by the Registrar of Assurances after the document is successfully registered in his office. Third document, which is Index 2 of the development agreement, which is also issued by Register of Assurances, which provides the transfer of property from the owner to the developer for its development. Fourth document is power of attorney duly executed between promoter, builder or developer and the landowner for assigning the development rights by owner to the promoter, builder or developer for development of the concerned plot of land. Fifth document, receipt of registration of power of attorney. Under the power of attorney, the owner of the plot of land gives all his powers to the promoter, builder or developer for development of land owned by him. The power of attorney helps the developer to apply to the different competent authorities and obtain various approvals or permissions required for the construction of building or premises containing flats, apartments or commercial premises and sell them on ownership basis to any intending buyers. Sixth document, property card or 712 extract in respect of the plot of land on which the promoter, builder or developer is going to construct the building. The property card is a government certified property ownership title document issued by the local authorities to establish ownership in urban area, while for the rural areas 712 extract is issued by the Talati of the concerned village. Seventh document, search and title report. Based on the title documents of plot of land like agreement to sell, sale deed, etc., property card or 712 extracts of the concerned plot of land and mutation entries appeared on the property card or 712 extract, the search and title report showing the history of land and its ownership is issued by the advocate of promoter, builder or developer. Search report contains the history of plot of land at least for 30 years, including rights of other persons and encumbrances, if any, on the said plot of land. Eighth document is NA permission. Permission for the conversion of land use from agricultural to non-agricultural is given by the competent authority or collectorate office of the concerned district. Ninth document is building construction plan sanctioned by the local municipal corporation. Promoter, builder or developer's architect prepares the building construction plan showing the total area of land with the measurements of permissible net area of land, total usable FSI and floor-wise details of the building being constructed on the said plot as per the development plan rules of the concerned city. 10th document, floor area plan on which you are going to purchase the flat or apartment or commercial premises. While preparing the total building construction plan, the architect also prepares the detailed floor plan including the details of the flats or apartments or commercial premises with its measurements on that floor. 11th document, commencement certificate issued by the local municipal corporation. After going through the details of building construction plan submitted by the architect or promoter, builder or developer and taking into consideration of the CTDP rules and construction rules, the local municipal authority issues its permission for the construction under commencement certificate subject to terms and conditions mentioned therein. 12th document is a brochure containing the RERA registration number of promoter, builder or developer and complete details of facilities the promoter, builder or developer has agreed to provide to the intending flat or apartment or commercial premises purchasers in the newly constructed scheme or project being completed. The brochure contains the detailed site plan of the scheme or project which the promoter, builder or developer is interested to construct on a particular plot of land. 13th document, copy of draft agreement or articles of agreement which is being executed between the promoter, builder or developer and the intending purchasers of the flat or apartment or commercial premises. This document is a standard agreement prepared by the promoter, builder or developer which contains the names and details of the landowner, promoter, builder or developer, flat or apartment or commercial premises purchaser, land details, plot details, scheme details, area or measurement of flat or apartment or commercial premises, details of amenities, total agreed consideration, details of part payment made by the purchasers, balance amount due by the purchasers and its due date, approximate date of completion of construction of building and approximate date of handing over the newly constructed flat. After selection of flat or apartment or commercial premises and after getting all documents, you must get them verified and checked from your advocate or legal advisor who will give his consent to proceed further for the transaction if satisfied with all the documents. If your legal advocate requires any additional document or if he has not received a particular document, he will ask you to get it from the promoter, builder or developer and then finalize his search and title report. After getting clear consent for purchase given from your advocate or legal advisor, you may proceed further for the transaction and get the articles of agreement or agreement to sell registered with the promoter, builder or developer. Thereafter, after getting part or full payment of consideration amount from you, the promoter, builder or developer will prepare final articles of agreement, pay the stamp duty, registration fees and document handling charges etc. And after signing the agreement by you both, he will arrange for its registration in the office of Registrar of Assurances. After registration of articles of agreement, you will get from the Office of Registrar of Assurances the original registered articles of agreement executed between promoter, builder or developer and you, receipt of registration of the articles of agreement issued by the Registrar of Assurances, index 2 of the flat or apartment or commercial premises issued by the Registrar of Assurances. The index to extract is a document that the purchaser of flat, apartment or commercial premises gets from the Registrar of Assurances after registering the document of immovable property. It is the official document of transaction recorded in the records of registering authority confirming the completion of the sale and purchase transaction between the seller and buyer. The index 2 shows all the details of your property, that is the names and addresses of the seller and purchaser, their age, occupation, addresses, PAN numbers, complete details of the property, that is the area of flat, apartment, commercial premises and parking space if any, the government value of the property, agreed consideration between the seller and purchaser, date and time of execution of document, date of presentation of document for registration, registration serial number, the amount of stamp duty and registration fees paid on the registered agreement. If you are availing housing loan facility from any bank or financial institution, along with your personal documents, the concerned bank or financial institution will also demand the newly registered original agreement executed with the promoter, builder or developer for their possession and records, and thereafter your bank or financial institution will disburse the sanctioned loan amount in the name of your promoter, builder or developer against mortgage of your new flat or apartment or commercial premises. And thus your transaction for the purchase of flat or apartment or a commercial premises with the promoter, builder or developer will be completed. Thereafter, after full and complete construction of building, the promoter, builder or developer will physically hand over you the vacant possession of flat, apartment, commercial premises with his letter of possession and completion certificate and its ready to use occupation certificate issued by the local municipal corporation. Thereafter, the promoter, builder or developer will form a cooperative housing society or association of apartment owners giving a specific name to the project and hand over the society or apartment association to the newly elected committee members of the society or apartment association for its day-to-day affairs. Thereafter, in the case of registered society, after completion of full project, within few months, the promoter, builder or developer will execute a deed of conveyance of the land and buildings constructed thereupon in favor of the society, and then only the society will become the owner of the land and buildings constructed thereupon along with all the amenities and facilities etc. provided in the project or scheme. Likewise, in the case of association of apartment owners, after completion of full project, within few months, the promoter, builder or developer will execute a deed of apartment independently with each apartment owner and thereafter will prepare a deed of declaration of the land and buildings constructed thereupon in favor of your apartment association, and then only your apartment association will become the owner of the land and buildings constructed thereupon along with all the amenities and facilities etc. provided in the project scheme. The deed of conveyance of the society as well as the deed of declaration of the apartment association is also required to be registered in the office of Registrar of Assurances. These documents are signed by and between the committee members of the society or apartment association and the promoter, builder or developer. The committee members will allot to each flat, apartment or commercial premises owner in the society or apartment association the shares of the society or apartment association and issue the printed membership certificate which is called the share certificate to each member containing the name of the flat, apartment, commercial premises owner, serial number of the certificate and date of issue of the shares, folio number with distinctive numbers of shares allotted to each member, putting the seal of the society or apartment association on it and hand over the share certificate to each member duly signed by its chairman, secretary and one committee member. Friends, I hope that I have given you the valuable information about the purchase of flat or apartment or commercial premises from the promoter, builder or developer, and you might have enjoyed going through the details given in this video. Now we will meet again in my next video shortly. Till then, thanks, good luck and all the best.